Right. When you have the solid and you have a liquid, which one's the one that's going to dissolve? The solid, okay? So here the sugar is going to be the one that dissolves. The water is the one that's doing the dissolving. Okay, so that's your solvent. Water is a universal solvent. It dissolves almost everything. Not everything, but almost everything, right? Okay, so your solute was the sugar. Now this is how we're going to be doing molarity with a solid. Okay, now look at dye. Dye, is that a liquid or is it a solid? It's a liquid. So we're going to put a liquid into a liquid, and that's where you're going to do molarity by dilution.
Yeah.
Okay? So now, okay, the liquid is actually dissolving in the liquid, right? Okay, now, if I actually decrease, we're going to be going into concentration. So can I make this like a stronger blue, and can I make it into a lighter blue? Sorry. Yep, like if I take half out, go ahead and stay there.
You're hard and hard.
And I put more water in.
It's the same.
Okay. Is it the same or is it a little lighter? It's a little lighter. Okay. Now that's what we call dilution. If I take more water out, like this is like if you go to the movies, you get
Popcorn?
you get soda and you put a lot of ice.
I don't drink soda.
Okay.
You don't drink soda?
It's like when you
And
water
then
it
let's
down.
say you don't finish it.
I know.
Okay, see how we put more water?
The water's down there.
Now, did it get lighter or is it darker?
It's like lighter.
Is lighter. So this is called dilution. Okay? It's not the same.
Doesn't weigh the same?
Okay, before it was a deeper blue, you couldn't see the numbers. And now it's a lighter blue. Okay, do we need to do it again?
Yeah.
I can do it again. Okay.
This stuff. That sounds pretty.
Okay. And then it gets lighter again. Okay.
It's your shirt. Look there, yeah.
Okay.
Your shirt making it dark blue.
Okay, that's lighter. Okay, we see that? That's called dilution. Okay, let's go ahead and